Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. No one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't replace. See no one else like you do.
I am a dear sweetie. Hey, sweetie. We love, baby.
That's bottom line. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Hey guys, welcome. I don't think I've done an intro for this video. No, I have not. Welcome or welcome back. If you're new here, hey girl, hey, thank you both so much for coming back. Okay, don't forget to click that subscribe button, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so I'm finally getting into renovating my apartment. You guys, brief story, yeah. So I actually thought about moving, but the truth is that it's not time, and it's not time. Basically, it's not time to move. So I'm like, let's doll up the apartment, shall we? So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. So obviously, I'm going to be taking you guys through the whole process of, well, everything basically. So I'm excited. So today, or in this video rather, we're going to be working on the couch and the curtains. So I already have the curtains. I feel like it's always too close now. But having my arm that far, like who am I? Anyways, I have the curtains, and yesterday I went to pick up the rods as you guys saw. I picked up the rods, the stoppers, and what else? I also picked up a bed sheet yesterday as well. So that was very, very, very good. And today's the next day if I didn't mention. Um the carpenter is coming to take measurements for the couch that I want. So I have two options in mind. I'm gonna leave the two of them on the screen right now. A and B, you pick the one you like, and I'll show you guys. I mean, obviously you guys will see the one that we ended up going for, the right? But I have two options in mind, so I just want to talk to him and see, like which one is more doable, like for the space, because you guys know my apartment is not very big, so I want something that's comfortable but not too giant, right? So yeah, and I'm so very particular about the fabric because I'm not about to have leather sofas, god forbid, like god forbid it. And I don't want anything too rough. Like I really want the couch to be look and feel lived in, right? So something soft, plush, possibly. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Really excited to finally have a couch. Girl. Yeah. So I'll pick this back up when um the carpenter comes. But yeah. Is there any way I might be able to see the fabric before you start using it? I, no, not the phone, like the clothes you want to use to cover. Because I really want that particular color and yeah, something so. Hey, doll. Good evening. I just came to get water and say hi. So, our couch is coming tomorrow. You guys, can you guys see me? Our couch is coming tomorrow, baby. But yeah, I'm so excited. Shout out to God for being my provider. Is that something on my lens, babes? No. Shout out to God for being my provider, for being my protector, for being my all sufficient helper, for being who? Glory goes to who? God. Period. Okay? But yeah. So we got our couch coming tomorrow, whatever. Cheers to the freaking weekend, okay? Alright, I look like I'm high, but I'm just really excited. Like, girl. Anyways, so I'm going to show you guys what the entire apartment looks like right now before anything new gets in. So where everything is now, the curtains, you know, where the couch is going to go, everything, the whole nine, and then the couch comes tomorrow. A very blessed girl. You guys, I'm doing too much, but I'm just really happy.
This one is coming here.
This room is as if you can enter here.
Oh, yeah. I mean, let me bring those seats. Take care. So I never know. There's no distance now. Like, yes.
Is it here?
What do you want to see? How?
No, big three. You're like, that's the only stuff.
Wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. What you do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I can check in with you. I know that I need my friend.
Oh my god. You guys, can you see how plush? Guys, she's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Um, it's giving talk to me nice, baby. Talk to me nice. I love the color. I really wanted something dark, but not all the way black. And I feel like army green is such a good color. One, two. I don't know if it's a couch, but I've really been liking this color lately. So yeah. And when you take out these pillows, it's a bit deeper as well. You can see when you take out the pillows, and I like that you can move them around, so I can fit it however many ways that I want to. Okay, okay, okay. So I have two throw pillows. I have a black one and a brown one. I plan to get other ones in the future, but Sana, it's not pressed. I'm not pressed for it right now. I also will get a throw blanket as well, but in the futures, guys. So I have these two pillows, right? There's this brown one and there's this black one. Can you guys see? So there's this one and there's this one. So I feel like I like this one better because the color kind of pops against the couch. Can you guys see what I'm saying? It pops, but the black one is kind of dull, right? Yeah, so I think I'll do this brown one. I think I'll do this brown one. Yeah. Look at her. I am really thankful for my beautiful baby. So now, what's left are the curtains. You guys know I have curtains on my big window hung up already. You might have seen that when I was showing you the room, but I'm moving the curtains higher because I have long curtains and I want it all the way to the end. I want the curtains taller so I can have like an illusion of a taller room. So yeah, so now that my child is here, we're going to walk on the curtains. I don't know when. Maybe tomorrow or next or 2 years from now. God forbid. But yeah, we'll walk on curtains next. Okay. Love and light. Hey guys. So we're about to take this out. We did this, but we're about to do this now. So take this out and then we're going to remove this. We already removed the first one. Remove this and take it a bit higher. So it's just as high as this. And yeah, I can't wait. I'm also remove this. So okay, let's go. Hey guys, so we finally fixed the curtain. That's what that looks like. Yeah, that's what that looks like. But we're not able to use this part because of the nail. So the nail was not complete, so we couldn't do this part. But this one is really good for you guys. The space of the entire house is just crazy. Like everybody's just shout out to my man, girl. Like he put up this curtains. I said, girl, I've had these curtains for a while. I've had the rod. I've had everything for a while, but and because I had like a temporary fix, like as you guys probably have seen in the vlogs, I was like, okay. And today he was like, let's put it up. I'm like, tell me you love me without telling me you love me. Like, chill. Yeah. The only reason we didn't do this one was because I need to get another nail. But yeah. I'm a princess girl. What the freak? But yeah. I want to tidy up this place. Everything is crazy. I'm tired. Yeah. You guys, it's done. Did you see how high it is? But even look at how high that is. So I have to take out the bulbs. If you know, you know that you see that there's like there used to be a bulb here. So I had to take out the bulb on both sides so I could take it higher. But do we like it's all the way like girl, I cannot take myself seriously, but I love it. It makes me look short, no? Because it's so high up. Yes. So, um, I literally forgot what I wanted to say. I'm tired and I need to go to bed. My man just left not too long ago. I'm kidding, it's probably like 2 or 3 hours ago, but anyways, he helped me put this up because in a way I could. I mean that's a lie. But I'm grateful that he was here to help me do it. But yeah, I'm really tired. I'll show you guys what. I'll show you guys what the curtains look like tomorrow. I still need to get them washed though. So they were clean, but I've had them in, like in a box and all together for such a long time. So they're like a bit dusty and whatnot. So I need to get them washed. Yeah. I think that's the only thing left. Getting them washed. But it's raining so much. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that, like seriously. Because I don't want to get it washed on a day that it rains the whole day, because then my life will be bare for like 2 days. I'm really tired.